In conclusion-based critical reasoning questions, the correct conclusion must be the main point in the reasoning, the reason why the argument was made. Remember, from the author's point of view. Let's take an example. The typical question in conclusion questions is the author's main point is that you have the reasoning here. Here is the mind map, and identifying conclusion is the task here. Before you move into answer choices, you must have an idea of what you're going to look for. The GDP growth has been high. Party deserves credit for that. However, party's socio-political moves have been criticized. Opinion polls show decline in popularity. The party is not likely to win again. Look at this answer choice. The party's efforts need to be applauded is one of the premise. It is not the main point in the argument. Bad choice. One more. The party has failed on socio-political fronts, cannot be even established. The argument only says that socio-political moves by the party have led to severe public outcry. So a failure on socio-political fronts cannot be even inferred, leave alone this being conclusion of the argument. One more answer choice. So yes, this is a fact stated in the passage, but this is not the conclusion. Conclusion is something for which the argument was written. The argument here has not been written to suggest the outcry. The argument seems to have been written to suggest that the party is not likely to win in the next elections. One more example. The popularity has declined in recent times. This is close, but still this is not the conclusion. Opinion polls reflect a decline in popularity of the party. This is a fact. Again, this is not the reason why the argument was written. This is simply a supporting evidence, not the conclusion. One more. The party will lose the upcoming elections. This is a trap. The language used here is the party is unlikely to win, which is not the same as saying that the party will lose the elections. Bad choice. The party will take serious corrective socio-political measures before the elections. This is a speculation. This cannot be inferred, and therefore this can never be the conclusion. The party is likely to lose in the upcoming elections. This is the main point. This is what we have been searching for. A very fine conclusion statement. This was the concept, guys. GMAT shorts are deliberately kept brief. For an elaborate explanation, please refer the stage 1 videos. Thanks for watching.